Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my 100% pure coconut oil. We're going to start by heating the coconut with a cutlass or big knife as we turn it around so it cracks in the middle. If you're doing it for the first time, let somebody who's experienced supervise you, because we are using a cutlass and a knife. You don't want to cut yourself. As you can see, I'm outdoor because it can be a little messy. You can see my manure in the background. So I don't normally crack my coconut this way. I normally just crack it open, even if it breaks into small pieces. But I need it to crack in the middle because of the grater that I'm using. I'm using it for the first time. Yeah. So finally, I've made it. Look at this lovely coconut. So now let's go to, this is the grater that I just purchased. I'm trying it for the very first time, but I'm having some struggles. I'll need some help. Yeah, it's like I'm not going anywhere. It is grating, but at a very slow pace, so it will take a very long time for me to grate 50 coconuts. But when you are accustomed to using it, you can grate a lot of coconuts within a short time. Finally, to the rescue. I struggled so much to grate the coconut using this grater. I realized you have to press the coconut when you are grating, and when you start seeing the brown in the coconut, then at least you are getting there. We give you praise and honor, for you are God of gods. So we are almost getting done with this coconut. Our new grater is not functioning very well, so we've decided just to do 9 coconuts. So this is how the coconut looks after grating, and now we mixed the grated coconuts with water, strained it, and refrigerated it the next day. So this is how our coconut milk looks. As you can see, it has solidified. That's the reason why I refrigerate it, so it solidifies, and it makes it very easy now to just scoop it out of the pot, and then the clear water remains at the bottom of the container or pot. Refrigeration is optional, but I chose it because I wasn't doing a large batch of coconut and I had space in my fridge. The solidified coconut milk easily separates from the water. However, if you are doing a very large batch and you don't have space in your fridge, then you have to just put it on the stove or the fire or whatever you choose to use, and just wait for it to boil down, and then you get your oil. So we have decided to do it outdoors on a coal pot, as we also have some corn to roast. Yay! So keep stirring to avoid burning at the bottom of the pot until all the liquid dries up. I mean, we call it caca, the curd. What do you call it? What do you call it in your country? Can you please write something in the comment section so I know what you call it? You call it caca? Now we can see that the oil is coming up. Keep stirring until the curd turns brown. I don't know how you do it, but as when the curd or the caca turns brown, then you know that your oil is ready. Now it's time to pour our oil in my stainless steel pot and allow it to cool.
We give thanks to the man of God.
The coconut oil is ready for bottling. It's now cool. So you just pour it. I'm using this funnel. And so the 9 coconuts are giving me this amount of oil in a 750 ml bottle. So I guess 10 coconuts would give me a full bottle of 750 ml. So this is the final result. Thanks so much for watching, and for the 100 subscribers, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.